We are not happy at all. We as a people, we are struggling, but then other people are living huge, large with our money, with government's money. So for us, it's not fair at all. So we need those people to go to jail.
Amaqela aphikisayo kumasipala waseRustenburg athi kuquba urhwaphilizo kulo masipala kwaye oku kuchaphazela inkqubo yokuhanjiswa kwenkonzo.
Whoever who is implicated must be held accountable, and whoever who must pay, because it's fruitless and wasteful expenditure, and it affects on the service delivery.
The forensic investigation must look at how much money was spent and if there are any irregularities within the project.
Ikomiti ye-ANC ejongene namaphondo iphawule ukuba isalinde iziphumo zophando nzulu malunga nezityholo zorhwaphilizo kulo masipala kwaye ithi iza kuqinisekisa ukuba abo babandakanyekayo bajongana nengalo yomthetho.
Those who are found to have misspent the public money, the law must take its course. It means that they must be charged, they must be arrested. We cannot afford, as the African National Congress in the Northwest, to fail to deliver services because of corruption that is happening around a number of projects that's supposed to take place to benefit our people.
Kulindeleke ukuba kubanjwe intlanganiso yebhunga likamasipala nalapho kuza kuphakanyiswa ivoti yokungamthembi usodolophu walo masipala.